Hello dear student, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's start with new video on the same topic. Yes dear student, short composition. There are four kind of short composition which is in our syllabus. Advertisements, notices, designing and drafting posters, writing formal and informal invitations and their replies. In our previous two videos, we were talking about advertisement. An advertisement is a public announcement through a popular medium like newspapers, magazines, radio, TV, etc. It is a non-personal, oral or visual announcement regarding a produce or service and idea. Modern age is an age of advertisement and publicity. It requires a great skill to arrest the attention of the people and influence their minds. Advertisements play a very important role in this direction. The sole concern of advertisements is to persuade a particular group of people to buy the product or service offered by the advertiser. Basically, there are two types of advertisement: classified advertisements and displayed advertisement. And display advertisement sometimes called commercial. Classified advertisements and display advertisements are different with each other in some terms. Alright, classified advertisement because it has been categorized in some categories. And as far as concern about display advertisement, they are meant to attract the immediate attention of the public. Their purpose is the same as that of classified advertisements. They are printed in bold letters covering more space than the classified advertisements. They make a free use of visuals like sketch, design, drawings, and photographs. Generally, such advertisements are used by manufacturers to advertise their products and to promote their sales. Dear student, there are some main characteristics which should be there while you draft advertisement. Advertise should be attractive enough to catch the eyes of the reader, right? They are a play of words. Every word must be an extract of an idea. They must be brief and clear. Should not exceed the prescribed word limit. Content and style should be happily blended. Subject matter should be highlighted in simple, catchy words or phrases. Not only that, but also there are a lot more to know that how we can make our advertisement effective so that we could get 5 marks easily. Here these are. Classified advertisements. One can find these advertisements in all newspapers. Every newspaper has some space reserved for these advertisements. They are known as classified because they are divided into different classes according to the subject matter and the purpose they serve, like situation vacant, situation wanted, accommodation wanted, to let, hire, purchase or sale purchase, educational, lost and found, and matrimonials are there. Because we have already done situation vacant and situation wanted. So in today's video, we are going to talk about accommodation wanted. What is accommodation wanted advertisement? This is one part of classified advertisement which we published in the newspaper. Accommodation wanted advertisement are those advertisement in which we want accommodation, जिसमें हमें अपने लिए accommodation की ज़रूरत होती है, घर की ज़रूरत होती है, शोरूम खोलने की ज़रूरत होती है, या फिर आपने रेडीमेड गारमेंट का कोई शोरूम स्टार्ट करना है, कंप्यूटर की विंग स्टार्ट करनी है, and many more purpose can be there, right? So main focus on this advertisement is to mention those particular things which we want in that accommodation. Here these are. Dear student, whenever you want any kind of accommodation, there should be some purpose. What is your purpose? Decide the accommodation. Your accommodation should be newly constructed, well built, spacious, size, bathroom, washroom, bedrooms with ultra modern amenities, lawn, parking, and location is very important for any kind of accommodation. As far as concern about the rent, that will be negotiable after contact. These are some important points which should be there in accommodation wanted advertisement. Dear student, let's find out that how we can use these points in our accommodation wanted advertisement. See, you are a diplomat interested in an independent house in a very good locality of Delhi. Draft an advertisement in about 50 words to be published in a newspaper. How to start? First of all, we will write accommodation wanted in capital letter. Then, wanted a well-built and spacious house for a British diplomat in South Delhi. The house should have 5 bedrooms with ultra-modern amenities, a lawn and a servant quarter. Interested parties should contact immediately. As far as concerned about rent, that will be negotiable after meeting. Right? Do contact James White, Embassy of Britain, Chanakyapuri, New Delhi. Phone number is this. Next question is, you need a suitable building for computer coaching in Nagpur. Draft an advertisement for the same, stating your requirement to be published in the column accommodation wanted of a local Delhi. Same way, we will write accommodation wanted in capital letter. Then we will start our advertisement. Wanted a suitable premises for setting up a computer coaching center in the heart of Nagpur. Our minimum requirement is one large hall and 3 or 4 attached or adjoining rooms which faces the main market. Parking facility should be there. Interested parties may contact. Rent will be negotiable after meeting or contact. Address is here. Hope you understood that how we are using all these characteristics which is essential as per our requirement in our accommodation. You want to hire accommodation for your new ready-made garment business in Shimla. Write out an advertisement for the same to be published in the classified columns of the Tribune. How to start? First of all, you will write wanted accommodation in capital letter. Then, wanted accommodation for a new business of ready-made garments in Shimla. The place should be in one of the main bazaars of the town and the covered area should not be less than 1000 square feet. With a hall facing the road, good rent can be offered for really good and well-built accommodation. Those who have and those who are interested can contact. There is one more. You want to start a computer showroom. Draft an advertisement seeking a suitable building on rent. Your advertisement is to be published in the wanted on rent column of a newspaper. How to start again? Yes, you will write wanted accommodation or wanted on rent in capital letter. Then, wanted on rent is suitable building for setting up a computer showroom. Our minimum requirement is one large hall and 3 attached or adjoining rooms. The building should be in one of the main bazaar of the town facing the road. Good rent can be offered for really good and well-built accommodation. Those who have appropriate accommodation can contact. My contact number is here under. Let's discuss one more. You are ABC of Daleview, Shimla. You want a 3-room independent flat near Degree College, Shimla. Draft a suitable advertisement in the accommodation wanted columns of a newspaper giving full detail of the requirement. Write wanted a flat in capital letter. Then you will start drafting advertisement for the columns of a newspaper. A deluxe flat near Degree College, Shimla is wanted at a reasonable price. The flat should be airy and well ventilated. It should have at least 3 bedrooms with attached bathrooms and a servant's quarter. It should also have ample space for parking 2 cars. Please contact ABC at 751 Daleview, Shimla to finalize the things. Mobile number is here under. That's it, dear student. These was some accommodation wanted advertisement. Very soon I'll be there with to let. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.